A bill that would lower the minimum age of a child care worker is making its way through the state Senate. Hannah Adamson explains what's in the bill and why many child care advocates say it's the right approach.
More than an hour's worth of testimony showed unanimous support Wednesday for Senate Bill 2. Although Democrats had some reservations over the Republican-led effort, child care providers we spoke to say this bill could be a game changer.
I think it's just exciting that the bill is there.
Child care provider Jacqueline Strong says the #1 thing holding her center back is a lack of staff.
There have been times when we weren't able to enroll based on the limited number of staff members that we had.
And Strong is not alone.
As I travel the state, I think there are lots of folks who have expressed the need to hire younger folks.
Maureen Weber, who chairs the Early Learning Advisory Committee, says Senate Bill 2 would allow child care providers to hire those as young as 18 to care for infants and toddlers, and those as young as 16 to care for school-aged kids with supervision.
The earlier we can capture them with appropriate safeguards in place, the better off we'll be.
The bill would also provide for a child care pilot program. The bill's author, State Senator Ed Charbonneau, says the goal is to open 3 micro child care centers throughout rural Indiana.
I would be interested in maybe one up north someplace, one in central Indiana and one in southern Indiana.
But others on the Senate Health Committee say the proposed pilot program doesn't go far enough.
Our rural communities are hurting, so perhaps that's where we're going to start. But I wanted to be clear today in committee that the bill says at least 3. So we need to see what we can fund.
Strong says if the bill passes, she would consider opening a second center.
It just would open up the door for more opportunity to bring more caregivers and teachers into the classroom space.
The bill has been referred to the Senate Appropriations Committee. However, a hearing date has not yet been scheduled. Reporting at the State House,